Companies that make, sell, or distribute products typically require receipt, storage, and fulfillment of goods into, within, and out of a warehouse. Optimizing day-to-day warehouse operations, from receiving and storing to picking and shipping items, is critical to increasing warehouse productivity. Warehouse operations can be improved with intelligent pick and pack capabilities and a wave release process, using mobile RF barcode scanning, automating cycle counting, and integrating with shipping systems, all of which elevate agility, visibility, and labor efficiency. NetSuite's Warehouse Management System, or WMS, offers these capabilities and more. Because NetSuite WMS is built into NetSuite, product companies don't have to worry about integration efforts or data synchronization. As items are processed in the warehouse, each transaction is automatically updated in the NetSuite inventory recording and reported in real time, providing insights and visibility needed to efficiently and profitably manage a warehouse.